How to log out JustWatch account. Logging out or signing out JustWatch account is quite easy and simple. But first remember that you already have an account on JustWatch to log out from the JustWatch account. So simply the application look like this. Open the JustWatch application on your device and make sure to sign in to any existing account that you want to log out from. Once done, tap on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. On this page of profile, you need to select the profile which is at the top of the screen. And as you can see, we already have an account. Sign in. So you can see the option to sign out. Tap on sign out button. And then once you are sure that you want to really sign out from the JustWatch account, then tap the Yes Sign Out button. And once you have done that, the process has already begun as well as completed. If you want to again sign in, you can tap on the sign in button at top of the screen or create an account on JustWatch application. So that is how we easily log out JustWatch account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.